Okay, I'm over here at the Carpenters in, this is like northern part of St. Charles?
Pardon me?
What part of St. Charles is this?
St. Charles City.
St. Charles City, okay. Yeah, pretty close by the, what at the new Fifth Street activities.
Yeah,
yeah.
And the casino.
The casino.
All that stuff, yeah.
So we just finished the deck for you. It looks like we did some Walnut MVP Duralife with the bronze rail. Oh, I love it. So tell me a little bit about your project and how to go.
Very well. The guys were here. Took them 2.5 days to get it done. Took a little longer to get rid of the the pieces of wood that was left. But yeah, it was done very well.
That included the elimination of the existing deck.
Yep.
That 2.5 days. So.
Yeah, even our lumberyard suppliers, they're supposed to be picking it all up for us, but even they're having a tough time finding people to do it.
Yeah.
And it's, you know, everybody having a
I think Jake ended up having to come and get it.
Yep. So we do the best we can with like 6-7 crews going on. A lot of stuff can happen, but what a beautiful job. And overall, though, you guys are pretty darn happy, aren't you?
Yes.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
We
What-
love it.
I appreciate it. I'm gonna take a quick stand here. So we got, I love the owls, by the way. The owls are cool.
They're just to keep the pigeons away. It's bad
Yeah.
enough for the
So the pigeons? Okay, yeah. Well, I love the color right now. This is awesome. All right, another happy Jones customer. 1, 2, 3.